Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samula Khan 92. I am making videos about the HVAC work, but this video is about the uh, change of gasket rocker cover of my car because there is you can see there is some leakages from that spaces from the gasket area. My car engine is leaked a bit. That's why I changed that gasket rocker cover and also included the change of spark plugs. So watch and enjoy the video. Thank you very much. Removing the power connection of the coils which generate the spark in the spark plugs. You can see this, removing bolts now. This one coil, two coil, these coils we all remove from that one. Now open the bolts of the head, other bolts. There are so many bolts in this one. This is another one. You must take care about your car engine because if there is leakage in the oil, so you must take care about this one, otherwise you will be get more loss of amount if this cam seized. Because if the oil is less in your engine, it will become heat and it will cost you, maybe it will cost you the engine later. So better to make maintenance time to time. So today we will show you how to change the gasket of the head, because if we spend on the gasket we can save our lot of amount. I'll also show you how we change the spark plugs also. Spark plugs you can change from the top also, in this position also, but we change from inside because we already opened the head of the car. So you can see now we are going to remove the head. You see this, there is a gasket, you can see this is damaged. Why this is coming leak? Because it will become harder, that's why it will create leaks. These are the gaskets you are going to change on the top, through which the oil is leaking. Clean a bit inside. I'm changing oil time to time, that's why it was clean from the inside. If you are not changing oil time to time, then this will see the engine from inside is black. This is the new gasket and this is these are the spark plugs. So you must change your gasket. Now we are going to remove the spark plugs from the inside. You can see how to remove the spark plugs. This you can do if you cannot change open the head. You can also change it from the outside, but we already open it, that's why we are going to change it from the inside of the engine. So these are the spark plugs are also very important in car running. If your spark plugs are not good, then your car efficiency will be not good. It will take also the fuel consumption will be more if your spark plugs are damaged. And these are the new spark plugs of Hyundai company. So we are going to install the new spark plugs now. You can see these are 4 spark plugs are coming in the engine. 1 2 3 4. So these are the 4 spark plugs we are going to change. You must change your spark plugs time to time. I change it after 1 year now, but I see my old spark plugs, it was still fine. It depends on the running of the car also, how much you are driving. If you are driving more, you can change it early. So this is the method of changing spark plugs. You can easily change it by yourself also if you have tools. It's very easy to change. So make sure the strength of the tightness of the spark plugs should be properly fixed. So that's why we are using ratchet tools also to fix it tightly. because by hand you cannot fix it more tightly. So we already fixed the spark plugs. Now we are going to put the new gasket. This is the reason why this is going to leak. Because of that, when you purchase new one, this is very soft, this gasket is very soft, and time to time it will become harder. When your car is running, the gasket is coming harder. That's why the leakages are created. So when you put this gasket, the oil will be not coming out of this area. If this is hard, because this is soft, if this this gasket become harder, then it will create problems. So that's why you must take care about the leakages of your car engine, because your car engine is very important. Now we are going to fix it back. That's why we are going to fix it back. You can see this, the same procedure is to fix it back. Put the on the same position and return back all the bolts. Take care about the bolts. You can keep these all bolts every place separately to not to mix it, and easy for you to fix it again. So this is the procedure of how to change the gasket of the car engine. So you can see in this video everything in front of your eyes, so you can easily change it by yourself also. But my suggestion is that better to take your car to the car mechanic, because he was better known everything. Maybe some other issues came in your car, he will also fix that one also. And take care about your car engine. Change your oil time to time, and oil filter also, it's very important. And also check your air filter of the engine. Air filter of the engine is also very important in the car engine, so you can clean it time to time also. If you need to change that oil filter, you must change it also. And the car, I suggest you the engine oil, you must change your engine oil on 3000 kilometers. If you have a good if you have no issue in the amount, better you can change it on the 2000. People are changing it on 5000 and 10,000, but it will damage your engine from the inside, because it will take more time. And you can see I am changing my oil from time to time, that's why it was coming white from inside. If you are changing your oil after 10,000 kilometers, after 5,000 kilometers, it will then you will see this will become black from inside. So this is all the details about the car engine. So take care about your car engine, and save your car engine. So it's all about the car engine. So that's it. You can see we fix it again on the same position as we open it. So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe my channel.